Hello everyone, in this video, I am going to show you how to graph a linear inequality in two variables. So say for example here, number 1, the given linear inequality is y is less than 5x plus 2. So there are steps in graphing a linear inequality. Okay, without points, we will not know how to graph the given linear inequality kaya wala man tayo points, right? So, first step is you have to convert the given linear inequality to equation. So, we are going to replace the inequality symbol to equal sign. So, ato siyang pulihan, that would be y. Ato ang pulihan ni siya nga inequality symbol into equal sign. So, equals 5x plus 2. And then, after that is, mag-solve ka, or you are going to find the x and y intercept. Kay kanang duha ka points nga x-intercept and y-intercept mo na imuhang ilocate nga points sa imong Cartesian plane. Kay mo na makatabang nimo to create a linear graph. So, first point is to find the x-intercept. To find the x-intercept of this given is, you have to let y equals 0 to find the x-intercept using this equation. Okay, so let's try to solve. We will going to substitute y to 0. Using this equation, we have y equals 5x plus 2. Substitute the variable y to 0. We have 0 equals, following the equation, 5x plus 2. Now, remember that you are solving for the value of x to find the x-intercept. So, ang term nga na variable x is ato siyang i-transpose to the left side of our equation. So, ato ang 5x nga term is nasa right side. Transposing this term to the left side of the equation, that would be from positive to negative 5x. Then close. Then write the remaining term at the right side. We have positive 2, so that is 2. Next, again, you are solving for the value of x. So, our goal is dapat ang atuang coefficient sa x would be positive 1. And since na siya coefficient nga negative 5, then that means we will eliminate this coefficient negative 5 by, how to eliminate this coefficient? By dividing both sides of the equation to negative 5. Apilon sa sign para makancel po doon apil sa sign nga negative. So, ato ang i-continue in this part. So, we have left side negative 5 divided by negative 5, that is positive 1. So, si x na laman ang mabilin, or in short, makancel ni siya nga coefficient. Then, equals, right side, we have positive divided by negative, that is still negative. 2 over 5, dili na siya ma-reduce, so as is na siya. So, your value of x is negative 2 over 5. And to write the point, the x-intercept, that is negative 2 over 5, comma, 0 for your y-coordinate. Kaya let man mo si y into 0. Next is to solve for the y-intercept. And this time, since you are solving for the y-intercept na, you will let x equals 0. Binali sa ganina. But, same process. Using the same equation, we have y equals 5x plus 2. Substitute y equals, copy the coefficient 5, substitute x to 0. Following the equation, the remaining term plus 2. Simplify, we have y equals 5 times 0, that is 0, so eliminate na. The remaining term is positive 2, so 2. So therefore, your second point is 0 for your x-coordinate, and for your y-coordinate, that is positive 2. So these 2 points are ready to plot. on your Cartesian plane rather. So ato siyang i-plot. Okay, so again, we are going to plot the said 2 points. Ganina nga to ang nakita, x-intercept na to this one, and this y-intercept on your Cartesian plane. So, magkamata Cartesian plane first. Ay, sorry. So, we have x-axis, y-axis. Gamata og grids by 1 unit ra. Okay. So, first point, the x-intercept. Tag 1 ra na siya ha. Now, for the x-intercept, the x-coordinate is -2/5. Ang iyang y-coordinate is 0. So, since x-intercept man na siya, that also means nga, this point is, mingsakay ra siya mismo sa x-axis. This axis, kaning nagigda nga axis. Now, since negative ang ato ang x-coordinate, then that means this point can be located here at the left side sa ato ang Cartesian plane. Kay negative man ni sila ang mga values. Now, since this is a fraction, ato ani siya i-decimal para maka-estimate ta if asa siya dapita sa Cartesian plane. So, ato na siyang i-decimal. That would be -0.4 and then 0. So, asa dapita sa -0.4. Remember that from the point of origin, going to the left, that is -1. So, since wala ra mo na siya mo -1, that means diri ra na siya dapita. Dili siya mo lapas dapat sa -1. And remember, in between sa 0 ug -1, that is -0.5. So, dili ra pud ka mabot sa katunga. You will be the one to estimate asa dapita ang point. So, say for example, ato siyang estimate diri dapita. Dili ra pud mabot sa katunga. Okay? So, that would be your first point, your x-intercept. Next, after nimo mag-plot sa isa ka point, proceed to the second point, the y-intercept. Since 0 ang imong x-coordinate, ang imong harang y-coordinate na ay value, so that means kini nga point is naa ni siya kanisakay sa y-axis. And remember, the y-coordinate is positive, so na siya diri upper part sa imong y-axis. From here, point of origin, +1, +2. So here is your second point, 0, 2. After nimo mag-plot sa 2 points, then this is the time nga mag-connect ka sa 2 points to create a line graph. Now, in connecting the 2 points, take note nga there are 2 cases nga mahitabuan ni. Balik ka sa given nga linear inequality, you are going to check first the inequality sign or symbol nga iyang gigamit. Kaya remember, in connecting the points, natay duha ka cases nga dash or broken line siya if the inequality symbol or sign nga gigamit sa given is walay equal to. Say for example, yan na siya, less than or di ba ka greater than. Now, solid line siya, ini-create sa imuhang or ini-connect sa imong point, solid yan. Solid line siya if na equal to sa ubos. Say for example, yung symbol gigamit is less than or equal to, or di ba ka greater than or equal to. Muna siyang pasabot nga na equal to. Or again, if na bagli sa ubos, solid line siya. Kung walay bagli sa ubos, that means broken line siya. Now, balik ta sa given. Ang given nato is less than. Wala siya baglis diri sa ubos. So, that means ato ang gamiton is iyan pag-connect sa ato ang points. Broken line. Using your ruler, mo na siya i-connect. Wala mo ko yung ruler. So, yan na siya ha. Assume running nga straight line na niya ang pag-connect na straight. Dapat straight na siya ha. Straight using your ruler. So, inga na ang pag-connect sa 2 points. Naka-dash or broken line siya. Since wala man siya gagamit na symbol nga na equal to sa ubos. Okay? So, after that is for the last step. Ang last step na to is dapat natay shadean asa siya nga part or region dapitan na belong ang set of points nimo. Ang kini nga line na to, line graph mismo, is mo na gitawag also as a plane divider. Plane divider kay siya mo naka-divide sa 2 parts sa imuhang Cartesian plane. The question is, asa ta dapita mag-shade? Nga mo-consider na to, nga mo na isang mga set of points. Ang imong buhaton ana is mag-test points ta. Mo na gitawag nga test points or trial and error. Magkuha kag sample nga point nga nabilong diring dapita. let us say nga to ano siyang tawag region 1 kini region 2 asa imong shadean ana kariba kang region 1 or region 2. So magkuha kag sample nga point gikan daani, kuha pa kag sample gikan pa daari asa siya ma-true ma-satisfy sa given linear inequality mo imong shadean. Say for example sa task sa region 1 magkuha ta og point. For example kini nga point ato ang kuhaon nga sample. Unsa man siya nga point? That is negative 0, negative 1, negative 2. That is negative 2, 0. For region 1 ha, representative na sa imong region 1. Representative sa imong region 2, magkuha po kag point. Remember, magkuha kag point nga gamiton nimo as sample ana nga region, ayaw pagkuha diri sa plane divider mismo ha. Kana rang visible nga makita gud na asa siya nga region. So as a region 2 magkuha ta for example kini nga point. So that is positive 2, 0. Now, kining ordered pair, ito na siyang isa-isa. Asa ka siya matru. Ari ta una, sa region 1. Ato siyang i-try or substitute ang given ordered pair or sample ordered pair na to sa linear inequality sa given na to. So, we have that is x, y, right? So, substitute, we have y is 0 equals that is not equal sign ha kay linear inequality nga given 0 and then less than 5 si x pulihan na to here we have negative 2 and then following the inequality plus 2 simplify so we have 0 less than 5 times negative 2 that is negative 10 plus 2 0 is less than pila man ni combine the remaining two terms negative 10 plus 2 that is negative 8. Yan na siya. Now, after that, imo siyang i-compare asa siya mo true. Kani unahon na to. For region 1. Tinuod ba nga si 0 is mas gamay kaysang negative 8. 0, ingon ang first nga to ang linear equality nga to ang gi-sample or gi-test point is si 0 daw is less than negative 8. That is not true, right? Kasi negative 8 mas gamay kaysa 0. So, false na siya. So, that means, since false na siya, dili tinuod, wala ni satisfy sa linear inequality, ang muhang sample ordered pair, so, dili na ito na shadean. That means, region 2 atong shadean. But, let's try to check first if mo true ba dyan siya sa sample na to nga ordered pair nga gikan sa region 2. Let's try. We have using the same linear equality y less than, so y is 0, so 0 less than 5 times x is 2, positive 2 plus 2. Simplify 0 less than 5 times 2, that is 10 plus 2. So 0 is less than 12. Tinuod ba nga si 0 mas gamay kaysa ni 12? Yes, correct. That is a true statement. So, therefore, si region 2 atong shadean kay dili man siya ni true sa point nga 2, 0. Kini nga point nga 2, 0 gikan na siya sa atong region 2 nga sample. So, that means kini nga part maimuhang shadean. And that's it. Nanakay correct graphing sa imuhang given linear inequality. Hatag ko another example. So, stay tuned sa ako ang next video.